good morning everyone. We are now at Mount Baruyin in Abra. Look at the place. See? See. Whew. Thank you Lord. May hangin. Hi, May. Hello, May. Kaway. We are now in Abra, Mount Baruyin, the newly open mountain climbing. So, ito, medyo hinihingal-hingal na po. Pero, start pa lang naman eh. Baga warm up. Okay, see you later. God bless you. Ingat po ang lahat.